So I like Micron Technology. The company reported earnings just last week. And since then, even though the stock had been a skyrocket early in the year, it's come back 16% in just a few days. And here's a company that, yes, they're involved in commodity DRAM and NAND RAM chips. But on the other hand, I don't know if we're at the bottom of this cycle for memory semiconductors, but we're pretty close. I think we're probably no more than 6 to 9 months out. And so I'm fairly confident that over the next year or so, that stock probably rebounds 50%.
Is that a general call on the semiconductor cycle or just kind of Micron slice of it?
I think most of the semiconductor cycle, of course, we have some scary underpinnings with this U.S.-Chinese tariff battle. But there is such a voracious demand for memory in all the consumer electronics, and that's not just in smartphones. And then as we go to the connected car and the autonomous vehicle, it's only going to skyrocket from there. And the memory chips, again, DRAM and NAND, should do very well over time. And it looks like in the most recent generation that the industry's become more disciplined with capital spending and supply. So it's much better run and less boom and bust than it had been.
All right, now make your case at these levels for Amazon. It is close to 15% below its record high, and maybe some emerging concern about growth rates in the AWS cloud services business. But what do you think right now about it?
You know, I still think among the FANGs, Mike, that Amazon is my favorite. Again, it's come back a little bit, not as much as the sag that we've seen in the share price of Micron, but they'll continue to disintermediate one old school industry after another. And now that they have the power of Amazon Web Services, which is highly profitable and generating a lot of cash, they can fund those initiatives. I think as it pertains in infrastructure as a service and AWS, you know, there is a big pie. We're very early in the enterprise going to cloud infrastructures. And so there is a long runway still, even though they might lose some share for both AWS and also Microsoft Azure.